Alex was an ordinary man living an ordinary life. Every morning, he woke up early, rushed to work, and returned home tired. He worked hard and earned a decent salary. People around him thought he was doing well. But inside, Alex felt uneasy. No matter how much he earned, his money never stayed with him. At the end of every month, Alex faced the same problem. His bank balance was close to zero. Sometimes it was zero. He would stare at his phone screen and ask himself the same question again and again. Why do I have nothing left? Alex was not careless. He paid his bills on time. He did not gamble. He did not waste money on big, expensive things. His problem was small spending. Small spending done every day. A coffee on the way to work. Food delivery when he felt tired. Online shopping when he felt bored or stressed. Each expense felt small and harmless. Alex often said, "It's just a little money." But those little amounts quietly added up. One evening, something unexpected happened. Alex's laptop stopped working. He needed it for his job. When he went to repair it, the cost shocked him. It was more than he expected. Confidently, he opened his banking app, then froze. He did not have enough money. For the first time in his adult life, Alex felt fear. Not loud fear, quiet fear. The kind that sits in your chest and makes it hard to breathe. He realized something painful. He was one problem away from trouble. That night, Alex could not sleep. He kept thinking about his life. He was working hard, yet living weakly. He was earning money, yet controlled by it. The next morning, Alex did something simple but powerful. He took a notebook and wrote down every expense he made that day. Coffee, transport, snacks, dinner. At night, he added the total. He was shocked. So he continued. One day became 1 week. 1 week became 1 month. When Alex looked at the final numbers, he felt ashamed, but also awakened. He saw the truth clearly. His money was not disappearing. He was letting it escape. Alex decided to change, but not in a dramatic way. He did not promise to become rich overnight. He made small, realistic rules. He started cooking simple meals at home. He carried water instead of buying drinks. He waited 24 hours before buying anything unnecessary. Most importantly, Alex paid himself first. Every time he received his salary, he saved a small amount immediately, before spending anything else. At first, it was uncomfortable. Saying no felt painful. Old habits tried to pull him back. But Alex reminded himself of that night, the night he felt powerless. Weeks passed, then months. Slowly, something changed inside him. Alex felt calmer. He worried less. He slept better. For the first time, he had savings. Not a lot, but enough to breathe freely. Then life tested him again. Another problem appeared, an unexpected expense. This time, Alex did not panic. He opened his savings and handled it calmly. No fear, no stress. In that moment, Alex understood something deep. Saving money is not about numbers. It is about control. It is about peace. It is about freedom. Alex never became rich overnight, but he became strong. He became prepared. He became confident. He learned a powerful lesson that changed his life forever. You don't save money after spending. You save money to protect your future, and that simple habit made all the difference.